What connects people all over the world? They eat, they drink, and they live. They close the door behind themselves. They stow away the things of everyday life. They watch TV. They turn lights on and off, and often they need more space than they have. They live on the road. They live somewhere for a time. They live as they please. As safely as possible, as comfortable as possible, as individual as possible. We are here to help with over 150,000 hardware solutions for architectural projects and interior design. With over 7,500 dedicated employees. With 50 locations around the globe. We are on familiar terms with every fitting that exists anywhere in the world. We know what it can do and what it can't, where it fits and where it doesn't. In addition, we develop and manufacture intelligent and innovative ideas to always make people's living better. And we support all who enrich this individual world of people. With the right products, with our knowledge, with speed, and with reliability. And what connects us at Häfele with all the people who live? They inspire us to create new ideas, new possibilities, new ways, every day. Häfele, thinking ahead.